Welcome everybody. Today we've got Extendar as we continue another Masters of the Universe week, probably the last full week of them. Like I said, he's a pretty gimmicky thing. They basically a knight that has the ability to extend his limbs and his head to become much taller than the rest of them, and according to the, and he actually does pretty much maintain balance here. Does not have any bend a bit, there's no power punch action for him at all. Something I just found out on his neck. Back here he's got a peace symbol built into it. So I think that's sort of cool. I don't think there's any other, I don't know that I did this. I don't even know if I knew his torso extended like that. Does he still stay tall, balanced? Reasonably balanced. Maybe put his arm down, he'd stay up. Yeah. Yeah, so that's, I don't know that I noticed that when I pulled him out of storage. But yeah, it does, extends to this much taller than a regular. And I'll give you a preview of tomorrow's guy. Here it's for scale, see how much taller they are. Grows a good bit, and the backstory on him is, depending on how you read it, basically the Hordak turned a regular human knight into a cybernetic warrior. But I'll be honest, as a kid of the 80s, this arm is sort of sticky. Okay, there it goes. Just that, the knight in shining armor aspect of things would have been enough to get me to buy him. I think he looks cool as is. Didn't even have to do anything extra. No, looks like there was. The back has got a flat spot here. I don't understand. Maybe that's just what they had to do to have that sort of translucent coating on him. It looks like he's got a texture underneath and it's a clear coat on top. It probably doesn't show on the camera here, but it looks like there's some depth to his armor, so I think that's cool. But there he is. I enjoy this. Like I said, I just enjoy the looks of this guy. He seems pretty cool. But I think I'll call it quits at that. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure to subscribe. There's plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.